Okay, next one, question 6. What is the value of this expression? 8 over 15 divided by negative 0.35. And you're like, oh, what's my rule? So let's go back to the rule. The rule is, positive divided by positive is positive, positive divided by negative is negative, negative divided by positive is negative, and negative divided by negative is positive. We know this, we've memorized it, we're good to go. And what we have here is a positive divided by a negative, so we know the answer is going to be negative. Okay, and all right, well that does us absolutely no good. That's no help at all because all our answers are negative. Okay, so we can't eliminate any of the distractors, but that's fine because we still have work to do. So we have 8 and 8/15 divided by, let's just forget about the negative and just say 0.35. And what do? Well, we got to convert one of these numbers to the other form, right? Because we can't deal with fractions and decimals. We have to deal with fractions and fractions or decimals and decimals. And because all our answers, bling, 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 are in fractions, I think it's a lot easier to work with fractions. So let's just turn this into a fraction. Well, 35 hundredths is the same as this, as we've known through years of math. 35 hundredths, maybe we've forgotten because we're doing really complicated stuff, and sometimes we forget the stuff we've done previously, but you should remember, now that I show it to you, hopefully it clicks in if it hadn't before, that 35 hundredths is the same as 35 over 100. I know now we're dealing with negative numbers and it gets all weird, but 0.35 is still 35 over 100. And if we do that and we want to simplify, well, we know we can just divide by 5, divide by 7, divide by 5, divide by 7, divide by 5, divide by 5. I'm getting ahead of myself here. You get 35 divided by 5 is 7, and 100 divided by 5 is 20. So you have 8 over 15 divided by 7 over 20. And we're good to go. We can just run our algorithm of keep, change, flip. So we're going to keep 8/15. We're going to change the division to a multiplication. We're going to flip 7/20 to 20 over 7. And we can multiply on through. And we get 160 over 105. And we know that we can divide each of these by 5 because, it ends in 0, ends in 5. And 105 divided by 5 is 21, and 160 divided by 5 is 32. So we know our answer is going to be negative 32. Don't forget the negative sign because that's up from here, right? Negative 32 over 21, and we're good.